What's up guys, ParallaxOX here, and today we're doing the problem number 3 of Snackbreak, which tells it just set it detects how far away from the direction, the fastest way, with the least amount of rotation. So if we go here, first we're going to make two variables, one for the starting angle, so local starting angle equals whatever you want, a number between like 1 and 360. I'm just going to put 25. Okay, and then we need to make one for the ending angle. So let's just do 186. I don't know, these are just random numbers, you can put them as anything. So, well, actually, no. You make an if statement. So if starting angle is greater than ending angle, oops, back up, then then there'll be an end there, and you just, so it'll be print angle 1 is dot starting angle minus ending angle dot degrees counter clockwise, I think. So wait, you go something smaller to some, actually it's clockwise, I believe. You might need to correct that, but I believe it's clockwise because you're going from something smaller to something bigger. So if you go like from forward, yeah, it's clockwise, pretty sure. Okay, and then we need to make an else if. So else if ending angle is greater than starting angle, then I'm just gonna grab this whole line. Whoa, that did not mean to happen. You grab this whole line, paste it down here, and then instead of right here, you do ending angle minus starting angle, and then degrees counterclockwise because you're going the opposite direction, counterclockwise, and you just put an else because if they're magically the same, else print the angles are the same degrees. And of course I messed up the open bracket. First I'm going to capitalize this because I want to, then that. Hold up. Come on. This doesn't take all day. We're losing half of viewership just from that. So if we play this, it should give 139, no, 139, no, I don't know. well, why am I going that low? It would be much higher than that. 161 problems. Put a space here, and then a space in front of here, and a space in front of here. And stop, and well, you should have stopped it already. The first one is 161. Let's just change it to make this one bigger. 125. And then change this to 86. Then if we go into here and play this, then it should do the opposite. And say it's counterclockwise. Right there. Problem number 3 of Snackbreak. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.